The coastal plains and islands. The plateau region is surrounded by two mountain ranges. These ranges slope towards the Indian Oceans, forming a coast with the ocean. The coastal plains. There are a number of ports along the coasts of India. India has about 6,000 kilometers long coastline. They are divided as follows: the western coastal plain, the eastern coastal plain. These two coastal plains are made up of alluvial soil. They are also fertile like northern plains. Focus. Dermochilus corycia, the largest sea turtles in the world, nest in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. The western coastal plain. The plain along the western coast is called the Western Coastal Plain. This is further divided into three parts, namely the Gujarat Coast, the Konkan Coast, and the Malabar Coast. Focus. The only active volcano of India is present in Andaman, Barren Island. The earlier name of Lakshadweep Islands was Lakadive. The Gujarat Coast. The Gujarat coast stretches from the Gulf of Kutch to the Gulf of Khambat. The soil in this region is very fertile. Farmers grow cotton, groundnut and tobacco. This region is also rich in minerals. Oil is drilled in Khambat and refined in the refinery at Koyali. Kandla is the famous seaport in the region. The Konkan Coast. The Konkan Coast is situated in the south of Khambat. It stretches from the Gulf of Khambat to Goa. The land in this region is uneven and rocky. Some hills of thin coast reach right up to the sea. So, lighthouses are built along the coast to warn ships about the hidden rocks in the sea. Mumbai is the famous city and seaport of this region. Bombay High is famous for oil fields. The Malabar Coast. The Malabar Coast stretches from Goa to Cape Comorin. We can see sandbars along the coast in this region. The seawater is cut off because of these sandbars and lakes are formed. These lakes are called lagoons. This region gets heavy rainfall, so paddy is the main crop. Coconut, coffee, pepper, cloves, etc. are also grown. Cochin is the famous seaport and trade center of this region. The Periyar Wildlife Sanctuary, famous for elephant, is also situated on this coast. Life in the western coastal plain. The states like Gujarat, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Kerala and Goa lie in this plain. Gujarat. The Run of Kutch, a shallow sea, is at the northern part of Gujarat. Gandhinagar is the capital of Gujarat. The main rivers of Gujarat are Sabarmati, Mahi, Narmada and Tapti. Gujarat is the chief producer of cotton, groundnut and tobacco. The other main crops of this state are wheat, paddy, bajra, jowar and maize. Anand is famous for dairy products which are marketed as the brand name Amul. Men wear kurtas, churidars and turbans while women wear cholis and saris. The local folk dance is Garba dance. Gujarati is the language spoken by the people. Gujarat is famous for its 4 national parks and 11 sanctuaries. The Gir forests are famous for the Asiatic lions. The Somnath Temple and Dwarkapuri are famous pilgrim centers. Kandla is a famous seaport of Gujarat. Maharashtra. The coastal areas of Maharashtra lie on the Konkan coast. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. Farmers here grow mango, paddy and pulses. It is an important industrial center. Hindi and Marathi are spoken in the state. The famous Gateway of India is a place of attraction. Karnataka. The coastal plains of Karnataka are divided between the Konkan coast and the Malabar coast. Coconuts and spices are grown here. Mangalore is an important seaport and trading center. Bengaluru is the capital of Karnataka. Kerala. Kerala is on the Malabar coast extending up to Kanyakumari. Thiruvananthapuram is the capital of Kerala. Kochi and Kozhikode are the important cities. Kochi is the major port. Paddy is the main crop of Kerala. Other crops of the state are coconut, rubber, cocoa, coffee and spices. The spices of Kerala are famous all over the world. People speak Malayalam and English. Kathakali is the most famous dance of Kerala. Onam is the main festival of Kerala, which is celebrated with great joy. Goa. Goa, the smallest state of India, is on the Konkan coast. Panaji is its capital. The main rivers of the state are Mandvi, Zori, Terekhol, Chapra and Betul. Paddy is the main crop. The other crops are ragi, cashew nut and coconut. Fishing is an important occupation of the people. Goa is rich in iron and manganese. Konkani is the official language of the state. Goa is famous for tourism. The St. Xavier's Church and Mahalakshmi Temple are places of tourist interest. Dadra and Nagar Haveli. The Union Territory Dadra and Nagar Haveli lies near the western coast. It is surrounded by Gujarat and Maharashtra. Silvassa is its capital. Agriculture is the main occupation of this region. Paddy, pulses, mango, chiku, banana, etc. are grown here. There are many beautiful gardens in this region. Recently, a tourist complex, Van Vihar, has been set up here. Focus. The scenery on our red-coloured 20 rupee note depicts a natural scene on the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Eastern Coastal Plain. The plain along the eastern coast is called the Eastern Coastal Plain. This is further divided into two parts, namely the Coromandel Coast and the Northern Sarkars. The Coromandel Coast. The southern half part of the Eastern Coastal Plain is called the Coromandel Coast. It includes the coastal areas of Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Orissa, West Bengal and Union Territory of Puducherry. The rivers Kaveri, Krishna, Godavari and Mahanadi flow through these plains. The chief crops are rice, sugarcane, tobacco, cotton and coconut. Chennai is the main seaport of this region. The Marina Beach of Chennai is the longest beach of India. Chennai is also famous for cotton and silk saris. The Northern Sarkars. The northern part of the eastern coastal plain is called the Northern Sarkars. The major parts of Andhra Pradesh and Orissa come under the Northern Sarkars. Paddy is the chief crop of this plain. Vishakhapatnam is the most important seaport on this coast. It has a shipbuilding yard. Life in the eastern coastal plain. The eastern coastal plain lies between the delta of the Ganga in the north and Kanyakumari in the south. West Bengal, Orissa, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Puducherry lie in this region. West Bengal. The northern part of the eastern coastal plain lies in West Bengal. Kolkata, the capital city of the state, is on the banks of the river Hooghly. Paddy and jute are main crops of the state. The river Ganga and its distributary, the Hooghly, flow in this coastal region. Kolkata is famous for the Dakshineshwar Kali Temple, Birla Planetarium, Howrah Bridge and the Eden Gardens. Kolkata is the most important port of the state. Orissa. Orissa lies on the east coast of India. Bhubaneswar is the capital of the state. The delta of the river Mahanadi lies on the coast of Orissa. The major crops grown here are paddy, coconut, oilseeds and pulses. Oriya is the main language of the state. People eat rice, pulses, vegetables, fish and meat. Orissa is famous for the Lingaraj temple, Khandagiri and Udayagiri. Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh has a long coastline. The Godavari and Krishna rivers form deltas on the coast of Andhra Pradesh. Paddy is the main crop of the coastal region of Andhra Pradesh. Jowar, bajra, tobacco, cotton and chilies are grown here. Vishakhapatnam is the major port of Andhra Pradesh. Vishakhapatnam is also famous as shipbuilding center of India. Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu lies in the southern part of the eastern coastal plain. Chennai, the capital of Tamil Nadu, is an important port of the state. The snake park in Chennai is very popular. Rice is grown in this region. Pondicherry or Puducherry. Puducherry is one of the Union Territories of India. Its capital is Puducherry. About half of the population of this region is farmer. Paddy is the main crop grown here. The Aurobindo ashram of Puducherry is famous worldwide. The islands. There are two groups of islands away from the coast of India. They are Andaman and Nicobar Islands and Lakshadweep. These two islands are Union Territories of India. Andaman and Nicobar. Andaman and Nicobar Islands are a group of about 300 islands in the Bay of Bengal. Port Blair is the capital of the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. The northern part is called the Andaman Island and the southern part is called the Nicobar Island. Indira Point in the Nicobar Island is the southernmost point of Indian Union. Most part of these islands are covered with forests. About 36 islands are inhabited by people of different tribes. Lakshadweep. The smallest union territory of India is the Lakshadweep Islands. It is a group of 36 islands, out of which only 10 islands are inhabited. Kavaratti is the capital of Lakshadweep Islands. Banana, papaya, guava, drumstick, jackfruit, wild almond and coconut grow in abundance. Malayalam is the main language spoken by the people. Fishing and coir production are the main occupations of the people here.